Hey guys, I'm Nina Zeta with Sidewalker Daily, and in today's video, I want to talk about SEO for Instagram and all the things that you need to know to really utilize search to help you ultimately grow and reach the goals that you personally are looking to reach here on the platform. If you're new to our channel and you're interested in all things influencer marketing, creator economy, and social media strategy, then make sure you hit subscribe so you can be kept up to date on all the videos that we produce weekly. So for today, let's go ahead and start off with a basic definition. When we think about search engine optimization, typically this is a term that was used for websites and getting websites to rank on different search engines, right? So like Google, this is where you would typically think about SEO. SEO is all about search and how to get your content discovered. But we're seeing more and more this definition transfer into social media. So when we say things like Instagram SEO, we're really talking about how to optimize our content on social using what we know about SEO, what we know about keywords, but making it applicable to the social media platforms that we're on, right? So ultimately, it's really thinking about your content in terms of search. How do I get people who are searching for things on Instagram to find the content that you are producing? This is literally the main question, and having the SEO tactics that I'm going to be sharing in today's video are going to help you with that. There's obviously lots of benefits. You want to be there to answer someone's question. So let's just say someone's typing into Instagram men's fashion and you are a men's fashion blogger. You want your content to populate there, right? And this is so good for a variety of different reasons, not only for discoverability and increasing your reach, but also to kind of trigger the algorithm to show your accounts to other accounts that are searching for men's fashion, right? Because Instagram knows how to sort your content, especially when you are super niche, to make sure that it is giving your content to the people that are looking for it. So you may be wondering, okay, Nina, well, how do I do it? So the first place that you can start is definitely your Instagram bio. You're gonna wanna make sure to include certain keywords and certain phrases that your audience is searching for. So I'll give you an example, and I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen. So I'm gonna go into the search box and I'm gonna put in, there we go, men's fashion. And just by clicking men's fashion and I look at the accounts, I can see right here, for example, this creator, Jordani, he has men's fashion in his nameplate on his bio, and he also has it in that first line of his bio. So again, I was able to find him just by looking at a keyword. Now, if you go into men's fashion and look at the hashtag, there's 66 million posts with this hashtag, right? So it's pretty cool to see the accounts that rank or populate for this search term. And then also when you click, like, for example, here, if I go ahead and look at the search box and I'm like, oh, I like this, let me go ahead right here, just looking at the hashtags, this creator is using men's fashion as a hashtag. So again, if I'm going into this search box and just typing that word, men's fashion, I'm able to get the type of content that I want, that I'm searching for. And as someone who is on this platform, you want to populate for this keyword. So what I love again about Jordani is that he's using it in his nameplate right here, and he's also using it in his bio, which I think is a really strong way to get found. And then on top of it, like once you go onto his page, it's very clear that he posts about men's fashion. He doesn't have things that are not about men's fashion. So it's, you know, if someone's searching it, finds him, the probability of them hitting follow is going to be quite high. This also goes for your keywords in your caption. So when you're drafting your caption, try to stay away from those little one-liners, get really deep. So what I like to advise creators to do is when they're putting keywords into their captions, think big, think a lot of different keywords, think sentences that your audience would be searching. This is called long tail keywords, or you can, you know, just use the specific keywords that you think that your audience would be searching for. So in the men's fashion example, maybe you write a longer caption and you put lots of different relevant keywords, right? Maybe you put men's fashion, or you put things like, if you're interested in men's fashion tips, again, that's a whole other keyword right there, men's fashion tips, right? Versus men's fashion. This is gonna get get you thinking about keywords in a more productive and efficient way, because when you're writing out your captions, you're no longer going to be using 1 or 2 sentences. You're going to make them nice and meaty and use the different keywords that are associated with the keyword you're trying to rank for in the caption. Now, given this example, let's just say you're like, Nina, I don't know what, keywords to use. Let's go ahead and look here, men's fashion. And let's look at all the different tags associated. Men's fashion review, men's fashion tips, men's fashion trends, right? These are all the different keywords associated just with men's fashion. But maybe it's, a mix of using these sort of keywords in your content, but also, okay, what outside of men's fashion? Maybe it's like men's, I don't know, let's do this together. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna look and see what are some other hashtags. So men's outfit inspo, okay, I want something else. Let's go ahead and see someone else's content. Gentleman classic style for men, perfect. So now we found another keyword, style for men. And while it's not men's fashion, it's still relevant to the type of content that someone would want to be searched for. So this is a great keyword to go after. And I think just by going into the search box and seeing like really what populates, what are the different terms that populate. You can also do this in Google, like just go in and play around on the search box and see what auto populates, what are people searching for, and this can give you really good ideas for content to make and also for keywords to use on your Instagram posts. So Instagram SEO is super important for a lot of reasons if you're a creator and you're looking to work with brands. And this is because if a brand is, let's just say, searching themselves, they're looking themselves up and you pop up because you made a reel that features their product. This is a great way to get their attention, right? And a lot of people that, come to Sidewalker Daily are looking to work with brands. And I know a lot of you feel a little bit apprehensive about pitching to brands. So using these SEO tactics that we're gonna cover are going to help brands notice you, because when they are either searching themselves or searching for, NYC creator or Dallas bloggers, and they're looking for you, you are able to pop up. And when I say looking for you, they're not looking for you specifically, but they're searching for someone like you. And the best thing is when you're a creator and you're trying to work with brands is being in a position for them to find you. Now, if you're interested in this topic and you want brands to reach out to you, yes, you heard that right. You want brands to notice you, then definitely go ahead and click the link below. We have an entire course on how to get brands to notice you, and you are going to absolutely love it because it's full of strategies for you to implement as a creator to get the brand's attention so that they reach out to you. Well, that's the goal. Now, this is a really good example to share with you how the algorithm knows the type of content that you produce, why it's important to be niche, keywords, all that good stuff. So I follow this account called Cheat Day Eats, and now Instagram is saying because you like to post from them, maybe you would like daily Insta foodies, which is very similar content, food content that I would see on Cheat Day Eats, right? So by having, Instagram is able to kind of categorize your content. So also from an algorithm perspective, when we're thinking about keywords and you're thinking about not only the content that you're posting, but, things that you're putting into your captions, the hashtags, what's in, your nameplate on Instagram in your bio, the algorithm is able to pick up on that and then suggest your content to people who would like it. And that's why it's super important to make sure you're using Instagram SEO strategies in your content. Now, another way to look for keywords as a creator is to look at, other creators and see their hashtags. What are they using? What are they putting in their captions to rank for? This will also give you some ideas so that you can kind of piggyback off maybe keyword research that other brands have already done. I know like on YouTube, for example, people go in and see, okay, what are the tags that like a competitor account put? I want to use similar tags to kind of, again, rank for that content. So this same strategy can be applied to Instagram. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video on all things Instagram SEO and search and keywords. Let me know in the comments. Make sure you like this video. This lets me know that you enjoy topics like this and you want me to keep creating more. And I will see you guys in the next video.